Imagine waking up to the world of possibilities and every day feels like a new chance to live your life to the fullest with the excellence of L&T. Presenting to you Rejuve 360 by L&T Realty, and this is located in the heart of Mulund. With a legacy of excellence, growth and development in India's infrastructure and industrial development, over 80 years, L&T has set a mark which is undeniable by all. And this project is located near the Eastern Expressway and LBS Road. So you can see this project offers excellent connectivity with the proposed Metro Line 4 just a minute away. And so is Suryodaya Road, that is just 200 meters, and Jain Temple at a walking distance. Talking about the Mulund railway station and other bus stops, they are also at a near distance, and renowned schools and hospitals like St. Mary's and St. Xavier's is just approximately 10 to 15 minutes away, and so is Fortis Hospital and Lotus Multi-Speciality Hospital at a distance of approximately 10 minutes. So this is all about the connectivity. Now I shall give you the project overview and show you the model. So this is our model, and the project is spread across 22 acres of land in which you get commercial and residential property together. So you can see they have a big project in hand. This is a G plus 67 story building in which you get 7 levels of ample podium parking and 3 levels of amenities, and then you have your habitable floor starting from that. And give you an overview of the amenities. We have a whole freehold land for your amenities too. We have temperature controlled pool with aqua gym, multi-purpose court and kids play area to senior citizens area. So you get all the premium and luxury amenities here. You name it and you have it. So this was about the project overview, location and amenities. Now I shall move you towards the sample flat. Let's go. So now I shall show you our 3 BHK sample flat coming in. This is our entrance to our 3 BHK. Foyer area से start होता है, and the carpet area for this 3 BHK is 1084 square feet. This is our humongous and expansive premium looking living room for your 3 BHK, जहाँ पर आपको dining set और आपका living area मिल जाता है with our attached deck. आप देख सकते हैं it is quite very spacious enough. आपका deck बहुत spacious है where you can place your plantery, 2 tables for your evening coffee, और आप swing कैसे भी इसे decorate कर सकते हैं. You have enough space. So we have a long passage area, foyer area in your house, starting from our kitchen now. So this is our L-shaped, again very spacious, huge kitchen, जहाँ पर आपको platform मिल जाता है L-shape. यहाँ पर आपको utility area मिल रहा है, and you can also place your washing machine just the way like it has been. Here you can have your oven space and refrigerator space also given to you. Moving on, now we are getting into our common bedroom. Can be your kids bedroom as per your requirement. तो आप देख सकते हैं again you have enough space apart from your wardrobe and bed. You get enough space in your bedroom to settle your decor and your wall unit. French windows for ventilation also given. Moving on, right in front we get our common washroom. Here is our common washroom. You get all the branded fittings and premium tiling given to you the same way. As you can see, this is our master bedroom number 1. Again, very spacious. आप जैसे देख सकते हैं, you have 2 passages and you have enough space for your wardrobe. French windows for ventilation given with attached washroom. You get premium fittings and branded tilings the way given to you with utility area मिल जाएगा from all your washrooms. So now we are moving into our most humongous and spacious master bedroom number 2 of 3 BHK, starting from our foyer area, so your privacy does not have to be compromised. Coming in, and ये है हमारा spacious master bedroom number 2. As you can see, very well decorated and well placed, and आपको यहाँ से भी French windows for ventilation मिल जाता है. और आप अगर 65th floor पे आपका घर है तो आपको वाशी क्रीक, एरोली, ये सब का व्यू ब्यूटिफुली आपके 65th floor से मिलने वाला है, sitting right in your master bedroom. मुलुंड में रहकर आप अपने वाशी का व्यू भी यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. Again comes with attached washroom. यहाँ आपको प्रीमियम फिटिंग्स, ब्रांडेड टाइलिंग्स ऐसे ही मिल जाएगी, एंड डक्ट एरिया जो कि आप यूटिलिटी के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस वाज माय 3 BHK सैंपल फ्लैट फॉर यू, एंड द प्राइसिंग हियर फॉर 2 BHK स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1.95 CR ऑल इंक्लूसिव. 3 BHK is starting from 3.55 CR all inclusive. Booking purpose and more information के लिए आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.